Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to create a row chart on your Canva on your Windows. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add the row chart on the Canva, just going to show in this short video. So swipe down and you just add a new page here. Just go inside the elements first, click on the search bar and just type as chart, and you can just search here by clicking on the CL option, or just simply just click on this here. So just type row on the first, so you can find a row chart directly. You can just type a row chart, you can find the row chart directly, or click on the chart option. So here you can see the name of the row chart, so just click on this and the row chart has been installed. So now you have the option of row chart. For an example, if you just need to edit the row chart, click on this edit option. So here you can find to turn off the grid lines or turn off the show labels option like that. It's simply like it will look like this. And then you have the option of to edit the data. Here you can just add more data, like there will be a 3 series, or just going to add for the 4th series like 8, then just going to increase this to 10, and this is to be 20, and this is to be 25. So you can see the 4 items has been changed. It's in real time. You can just also customize the color, because it's like a boring color. If you just can change easily. For an example, I'm just going to choose it as red and click on this. So just click on the red and just going to first of all just select the color, and the second color should be a red. Just click this red and click here, and so you can just change the color like this. And then the third color, I'm just going to choose it as a red. Okay, now I'm just going to change this color, choose it going to be red. Just going to change the color to slightly warm like that, and the third color, just click on this and just choose it for the red, and then you can just change this to slightly like this. So this is also, you can just change everything like this. And if you only solid color will be available, not the gradient color will not be available. You can just change the background if you just needed, and also the roundness can be customized like this, up to a circle or slightly like this. And I also have a lot of options. So about the row spacing, you can adjust it, and you can just create whatever you just needed. So this is how you just edit and data, and you can just use Google Sheet and upload your own data as supported file. Here you can have been given, and this is how you just create a row chart on your Canva. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.